Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see 10 lines essay on Republic Day. 1. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. 2. It is the national festival of India. 3. It is celebrated all over India. 4. It is a very important day for us. Fifth, Republic Day has been celebrated since 1956. On this day, the Constitution of our country come into effect. 7. Indian flag is hoisted every year on this day. 8. The Republic Day parade is the big event of this day. Ninth, it is also a national holiday of India. 10th, I love my country very much and I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you for watching my video.